And my dad is launching his helicopter.
Dad, look up.
Yeah, woo!
Okay, keep your eyes up, honey.
Hey you guys, what's up? So, this morning was so awesome. It's the day after Christmas and this is vlog 6 of daily vlogs. Woo! Anyways, this is a new sweater I got. I hope you like. Anyways, I say anyways a lot. Did you notice that? You better tell me how many times I say anyways in this video, including all the times I've already said anyways. Anyways? Okay. So, anyway, anyways, I just thought I'd make this video. It's another daily vlog, and my dad got a really awesome toy, as you have already kind of seen a little bit, and it is a helicopter. A little remote control helicopter. It's for ages 8 and up, and he's 49, and he's having a load of fun with it. You should check it out. I also tried it out, and I got it working pretty good. It's really fun to use. So, anyways, I said it again. Check this out. Whee! Atlanta. Yeah. Just go up really high. There you go. Whee!
Oh my god.
Kelsey! So this concludes vlog 6, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below and check out my other videos. AMP for life. Yeah.